Hello, this is Lev Chef Show. Today we are going to cook fried rice. We're gonna put tempeh instead of eggs. So one version is going to be healthy and one is not really, because we will use oyster sauce in one option and another we're gonna use cocoa amino acid. So what we have for today? We have pickled carrot, mushrooms and cabbage for plating. You can see that in a buckwheat recipe on my channel. We have a ghee. Then we have some vegetable as carrot, beans, baby corn, ginger, red cabbage, tempeh, garlic chili, homemade MSG. So next video I'll show you how to make it, the vegan version. Forms for plating. We will try to make it. First we're going to put ghee. Let it melt. We're going to put tempeh. Okay, as soon as we're getting a bit golden color, we can add ginger. So after 1 minute, when our ghee got the flavor of ginger, we can add some garlic. So in that moment we can see sexy golden color of our tempeh. We can add our vegetables. So we add vegetables according to toughness. First we're gonna add the corn. So now we increase the flame and start working a bit faster. So next we add in the carrot and beans. This version is going to be more spicy than this one, and we're adding the sambal oil egg. I have a recipe on my channel as well. So oil egg means smashed by hands in mortar, which looks exactly like this. One day I'll show you how to make it as well. So then cabbage. Cabbage is going to be last. Panda sauce or oyster sauce. That was one of the version nasi goreng or fried rice with the tempeh. So we're gonna make another one. Stay tuned, keep in touch, leave your comments below, subscribe, have fun, live your life up.